All right, so look at this payment that I received from this company. The company is called the Wayne Crow Limited. Can you see that? Now, the Wayne Crow Limited are the owners of the OLSP system, okay? Now, what I do is this. I just promote the website, right? I promote the website link, and then if any sale is made, then I make commissions. Okay, so now, and this is part of the commissions that I received after getting sales through this company. And you can see the name of the company there. It's called the Wayne Crow Limited. And you can see how much that I received there. $679. Can you see that? Is that not amazing? So you just share your link on Facebook, on YouTube, and then you just make some commissions. As simple as that. Now, let me show you other commissions that I received just promoting this company's product. And I'm going to tell you the company's product any minute now. All right, let's look at more sales. Look at this. This is another commission payment that I received to my bank account from this company called the Wayne Crow Limited. And you can see how much that I got with it. I got a commission of $1,508, guys. This is awesome. This is amazing. And look, if I can do this, anybody can do it. And it's so easy to promote this OLSP system, okay? Very, very easy. And I'm going to tell you how I do it. All right, now let's look at another. Look, this is another payment that I received from this Wayne Crow Limited company. And you can see how much I was paid also. $1,000 straight to my bank account. It's powerful, right? But let me show you another one. Look at it. This is another payment from this same Wayne Crow Limited. You can see how consistent they are. When you make the commission, they just pay you. It's so consistent, and they pay you well. You can see $642 was paid to me by this Wayne Crow Limited. But let me show you another one. Look at this. This is a $2,000 commissions. $2,000. That is why you want to, when it comes, sorry about this, yeah, sorry about that. Sometimes the computer does that, right? Don't we? Well, you can see that, right? Now, this is what happened when you promote a high quality product from a very good company, a very reputable company, and this is how you get paid. Look at that. That is a $2,096 commission paid to me by the Wayne Crow Limited. Let's quickly run through this. Look at another one. This is another payment from the same Wayne Crow Limited, and you can see how much I was paid there. $679 paid to me. You can see my name there, paid to me by the Wayne Crow Limited. But let's check another one. Look at this. This is another $1,000 paid to me by the Wayne Crow Limited. You can see that right now. Like I say, the Wayne Crow Limited are the owners of the OLSP system. And look at that. Let me go to my account. This is the OLSP system, and you can see how much I have made already with this system. $9,401. How do you like that? That's awesome, right? Can you see that? 9,000 already just promoting this simple system, and you can see, and look at the balance. So I still have a balance of $788 that I have not withdrawn at all. All right, so now the question comes, what is this OLSP system? Okay, so this is Wayne Crow, the creator of the OLSP system. So that's where the Wayne Crow Limited comes from. And look, all I share is what is called a MegaLink. Okay, and how much do you think it costs you to join this system? just $7. And I'm not kidding you, only $7, and you will be part of this OLSP MegaLink system. Okay, and this is the link that I share. You see, that's the MegaLink there. I just click on it, copy it, you see that, and then I go share it on Facebook, on YouTube, on TikTok, on Instagram. And then as people come into the company and they start buying their products, I start making money. It's just as simple as that. Now let's talk a little bit about this system. Okay, now what is the OLSP $7? It's just $7. What is the OLSP $7 MegaLink system? Okay, this is an online training program. So what you get is an online training program. And if you come to my account here, you are going to see some of the training program like the MegaLink course, list building, Facebook 101, Mega Messengers. You see all this training program. This is a training program where you are going to learn, one, how to start an online business. Okay, they are going to teach you how to promote it. Okay, just like I'm promoting it, they're also going to teach you how to get customers to your online business, how to grow your online business and make money, just like I've been making all these thousands of dollars, right? And you can do it too. All right, now when you join the $7 system, which costs you only $7, so that means anybody in the world can afford it. Okay, now when you join this $7 system, you are going to get what is called a done for you marketing system. Okay, so what does that mean? So just like what I do is this: I get that mega link and I start sharing my link all on Facebook, on YouTube, on TikTok, and then the system takes over, right? So the system does all the follow-up for me. They follow up by email, follow up by organizing webinars, they close the sales, and then when the sale is made, then I just make commission. So there is no recruiting required, no selling required, because every of those things will be done for you automatically with this system. Now, when you share that one link, you will be from over 7 different income streams in the system. So this is what you call a income stream company, because you only share one link, but you will earn commissions on all products in the system. So you could earn commissions of $7 to as much as what do you call it, $2,600. And look, when you share your mega link, you will earn 100% commission. So with only one sale that you get, you have already made your money back. So let me not waste your time anymore. If you want to get started with this online business for just $7, go below this video you are watching right now, just like this. Okay, now when you come below the video, go to the first link. You see that first link that says join the OLSP $7 system? Go ahead, click that first link, just like this. Now once you click the first link, that will bring you to this capture page website. So all you need to do, you see where it says get instant access, just enter your first name here, just like this, and then enter your best email address here. Then you see the green button that says join now. Go ahead and click that green button. Once you do that, that will now bring you to the OLSP MegaLink website. So when you get to this page, all you need to do is to watch the training video. So there's a training video here. You see the video is here. You watch that. After you watch that, you can come below the video to this orange button here that says click here to get instant access. Now, how much did I tell you it will cost you? Look at it here. Just $7. That's all. So you click this button, pay your $7, and you will now get a system just like this, guys. That is all. You will now get the same system like me, and you will get your MegaLink. As simple as that. And all you need to do, start sharing your link. Okay? So if you have any question at all about the OLSP MegaLink, or you have any question of your own, what you want to do right now, leave the questions in the comment section. I respond to all questions. And if you like this video, please click the like button. Also click the share button. But don't forget, make sure you subscribe to this channel. All right? So with that, I'm done for today. I will see you again. Take care. Bye.